How to add a member on Family Tree on your Google. First thing you have to do is open up your Google application and make sure that you're logged in. So tap on the profile icon at the top right and then simply head over to manage your Google account. Once you have done that, you should be able to land on this page right here. Now you're going to have to scroll to the side until you find people and sharing. On this, you're going to have this your family tree on Google. So tap on your family or manage your family group. And then from here, you're going to be a manager. So you can send up to 5 invitations. Tap on send invitation. Now from here, you can invite up to 5 people to join your family. So what you can do is type a name or email address right here and then tap on send. And once you have done that, you should be able to send them an invitation. And if they accept your invitation, they should be added to your family. So once that is done, now you could send a new invitation if you like. So I'm just going to tap on send new invitation. And then from here, tap on another one and then tap on send again. So you can search for a name or email address to send the invitation. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. I'll see you on the next one.